Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually set up Google Authenticator inside of your Google Chrome. So first of all guys, what I suggest you to do is to go to your email, so your Gmail account for example. So let's go to it, and from here what I'm going to do is basically just go to settings. So most of you guys will go to the settings from here, and this is not the place, this is the settings of the mailbox itself. But for you guys, you will need to go through this, and here you go to settings of my account. Right after here you go here, there is nothing in here, so there is a bunch of information in here. There's informations, personal informations, there is some information about you, and here you will find the security. So how you can actually make the thing work, Authenticator. So basically you just have to go down. So let's search for it, and here, and let's search for it. So here we will search for Google Authenticator, because I have different language, that's why I didn't really find it. So let me just translate it to this language, or just translate this page. So how can I translate this page? I can just do it here. So let's translate it English or something like that. Okay, didn't change at all. So let me just copy this from here and paste it here, or just go through Google and paste it here. So here what you need first is to download the application on your phone, so which is Google Authenticator. And right after you do it, basically what you'll have to do is connect your Gmail account to this application. Right after that, you will go to your account settings from here, as I said before. So let's go to here and here, and here. Let's click in here. So from here guys, you will find the authenticator, which is in this page, on security page, valid on your account. So that's how you can actually know that your account has been added to Authenticator. And you can find it also in this place as well, which is the thing that will help you protect your email even more. So if we clicked on here and I added the password, normally I will find it here. So this is my account. Here I must put my number, etc., or you can just add the authenticator, which will be working as well. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.